So here's Baiano with Baiano Renault. Today we're gonna frame open for the window. So in this video I'm just gonna show you how it is done. So in this case I'm gonna use 2x4. On the other side is the front of the house, and we just want a big window for this room, nice and big. So in this case I'm gonna use most of a 2x4 for now. This is we just want to put some reinforcement to support the joists up there. So right now we have just a temporary support. So we're just gonna open the wrap open for now. We're not gonna remove this plywood yet until the winds are ready to coming. And here's what it is. So first we put the support up there. Let's try to see if this guy gonna fit good. Yes, here we just put the header to have the extra support. This is the support to support the floor and the walls for the next floor upstairs. So. Wood screws.
How big, man?
2.5 inches. We just use the hammer to remove the 2x4s and bang it up and put the support. We use a measuring tape. We use a level, laser level. This is a DeWalt good little tool. This is great. And finally we use this drill. This is a Mastercraft drill. It's just a drill to do a small job, put the screws, the small holes. It's a nice small one. And I also use this sawzall to cut the stud, to cut the nails. That way you can remove the stud easier. Because the thing, this tool is good. Once you have the stud, you want to remove the stud, you have some nails, you just cut, and then you just have those nails to dilute, so make the life very easy. And we use the wood screws, square head wood screws. We use this one, we use 2.5 inches, but we're gonna bring some 3 inches, and we're gonna continue the job in here. And we use the saw to cut the wood. Was just few tools, not too many tools, but work great. Let's go to work. Let's get this thing wrapped up and get out of here.
Let's do it.
Okay, man, let's work. Let's work, man. Come on. This we call it the cripple.
What?
Cripple. To support it. Part of the support, because once we put the head, we need some support to support the header. I just want to make sure this guy's gonna go all the way up. Here you guys can see we had the 2x4 just support straight with the joists. We removed the 2x4, so we just put the extra support in here. Yeah, before we remove the support in here, the stud, we just put the support, that way the floor would not collapse.
These are temporary?
Yes, temporary support. Now once we have this done, we just can remove this without any headache. The window gonna be the same size as the one we have upstairs. Like would be from here, the side of the window I have the it marking here. Would be from this point to this point, about 70.5. The same weight as the one above it. Okay, here you guys can see we had the header, we had the support. This is a little bit wider than the wind that we're gonna use. So, hello, yes, here we're gonna install a window, and first thing to do is measure the side of your window and decide where it goes. And in this case here, we're gonna put a big window that's gonna match the one that we have on the next floor up. So that the window there is about 70.5 inches. So this open is a little bit more than what we need. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fill in, put a 2x4 on the space right where we need it. This open is a little bit bigger because we just remove a few studs from between the space that we need, and this one land right there a little bit wider than what we need. And now we just gotta make it work for us. Yes, we use the 2 existing studs to put the head on, but the hole is bigger. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna use this one. This would go on the side of the window that we need. I just got the laser in here. We have a little small laser in there, so we're just gonna have this level. Today is a Saturday, beautiful day. Yeah, we're gonna remove the temporary support for now, and here I would put, I still gonna put a 2x8 because we're gonna build another wall. We're gonna build another wall here. And then I would put a piece of 2x8 from this corner to this corner to support it, because we don't want to lose so much head height for the window of this side, because this is short. So we're gonna put the 2x8, gonna give it the extra support. Yeah, right, the 2x8 from here to here. That way give the extra support to compensate, because we just use 2x4 in this one. So we're just gonna install the 2x8 on the side of the frame. We bring it tomorrow and do it. For now we can slow remove this. Here we have our opening for the window. We're just not gonna cut it the whole thing right now, because we don't have the windows yet. The windows just come, so we're just gonna leave it like that. Okay, we just right now we're just gonna build some walls. I guess this is an exterior wall, so we just need to build a wall to isolate it. And for our window, next step would be we're just gonna wait for the wind to come, and then we're gonna cut it, the whole opening from the outside. And then we have a lot of light in here. Now it's a little bit dark. And guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you for your support, and talk to you soon. Thank you. Please subscribe, that way you can see the next step for the wind installation, which is we're gonna put new windows in, cut this opening and install a new window. Yes, and then we're gonna see all the process, and then we're gonna finish the inside with drywall, and the exterior just gonna be finished with once the wind come with the finish. Is a renovation window. We just have to silicone it. Yeah, we show you the full process of the wind installation, how it goes. So keep your eye open for the next video. Thank you very much. And if you have any question and comment, please leave your comment, and we'll be glad to answer them and be here to help. And if you want to see some video on something, some specific part of the project, just let us know and we will work on it. Thank you very much.